What is up, everyone? Scotty Hop here. Today we are doing autocross for the first time. This is a little nerve-wracking because I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. There's a whole bunch of cool cars here. They said there's like 200 cars here today. But we're kind of just going with the flow, and it should be a good time. I'm gonna try to get some different angles on the GoPro of the runs. They're going to be slow. Just hopefully I don't crush too many cones. Yeah, let's get this day started. Peace. We just finished the first track event in the C6 Corvette. It was a lot of fun. This car is a lot more capable than I am of driving it, so hopefully we'll hit another track event soon, get a little bit better at driving. They said that they have like a driving school, and I'm gonna look into that some more because it was a lot of fun, and I want to learn how to do this a lot better. I need some better tires because these run flats that I have on the Corvette right now suck. Like, they were screeching the whole way, and I was always on that little edge of like breaking them loose and going sideways. But if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace!